The White House is fighting back after a federal judge ruled President Biden's student loan forgiveness is illegal.
That's the program that offers up to $20,000 in forgiveness for people who make up to a certain amount of money. Allison Gormley joins us now telling us what's the deal with the lawsuits that are challenging this program. All right, Allison, what's the lowdown?
So right now there are 5 lawsuits on the table, and it's all pretty confusing, which is why I spent the afternoon trying to figure it all out.
Okay.
So I talked to some experts, and here's what they say can make or break a lawsuit. So there are 2 big parts needed for a lawsuit to be successful. One is standing. Can the person or group suing prove harm?
So in order to sue, you have to have a traceable, cognizable injury. So if you were in a car accident, I couldn't sue on your behalf. It's not my injury.
So are the people suing President Biden actually harmed by the student loan forgiveness? Law professor Brad Denoyer said if the plaintiffs clear that hurdle, part 2 is substance. In this case, does President Biden have the authority to cancel debt? The people or states suing say nope, while the White House says yes, we can. And that's because of the HEROES Act of 2003 created after 9/11.
Part of that is that the president has the authority to forgive student loans when there's an emergency. And the Biden administration's argument is that the emergency is COVID-19.
And Thursday, a federal judge for one of the cases on the table ruled that both of those areas are covered.
And it does look like with yesterday's ruling that student loan cancellation is canceled for now.
Anna Helhosky with NerdWallet said even with that ruling, it's still not case closed.
The White House has already filed an appeal with the Fifth Circuit Court, so it will be up to that court to decide. And now at that point, whatever the ruling is, I think it's a very safe assumption that one side or the other is probably going to appeal again, and that will head to Justice Alito at the Supreme Court.
So everything is still very much so up in the air. But what does that mean for borrowers? It means be signed up for student loan alerts, be prepared to make payments January 1st, just in case. And if you requested a COVID payment refund, don't touch that money yet.